Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you how to make one of my favorite dinner recipes. This recipe is very easy to put together and it comes out delicious every single time. We'll be making boiled yam and Ugba sauce and I hope you enjoy watching. My name is Oge and you're welcome to my kitchen. Let's get started. Here I have a bowl of water and my yam. I'll proceed to cut my yam into my preferred shape and then peel up the yam. After peeling, I'll drop it into the bowl of water. I love to do this because sometimes after peeling the yam and you leave it out, it tends to change color. Like the color goes from white to like orangey or brownish white. So I love to drop it into a bowl of water to prevent that from happening. I recommend you do this as well if you've not been doing this. Though this does not happen with every single yam, but some particular species of yam tends to change color. If you're new to the channel, hello, a warm welcome to you. My name is Oge. Kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this amazing YouTube family. This channel is the perfect place to be if you're a foodie or if you enjoy trying out new food recipes. So please do well to hit on the subscribe button to be a part of us. We'd love to have you here. And while at it, please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you're among the first to get notified whenever I upload new videos. You already know that subscription is absolutely free, but you get value for your time here. So please hit on the subscribe button. Thank you. I'm done peeling the yam. I'll proceed to wash it multiple times and then transfer into my pots. Here's a shout out to all my returning subscribers. You guys are the absolute best. Thank you for always coming back to watch me. Thank you for liking my videos, sharing, and leaving me beautiful comments. I love you all so much, and you all hold a special place in my heart. Thank you. I seasoned the yam with some salt, and I also added enough water to cook the yam. While the yam is cooking, I'll proceed to prepare the rest of my ingredients for my Ugba sauce. I'll chop up my onions and then blend my peppers roughly. This is my preference. If you want your pepper to be smooth, feel free to blend yours into a smooth puree. To prepare my sauce, I'll go in with enough palm oil and I'll let it heat up. There's no need to bleach the palm oil. So once it heats up, I'll go in with my chopped onion. I'll fry this until it becomes fragrant and crisp. Time to check on the yam. I use the fork to check if the yam is properly cooked, and as you can see from the video, it's very soft and it's properly cooked. My stew is coming on really well and I've just gone in with fish. This is called panla fish. After adding the fish, I'll stir that in until it combines properly and I'll continue to fry for a few more minutes, for maybe 2 or 3 minutes more. After that, I'll go in with my seasoning. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Please do well to give the video a thumbs up. Thank you. For seasoning, I went in with seasoning cubes and salt. Like I mentioned earlier, the salt is very easy to put together and you don't have to do too much. After adding my seasoning, I'll stir that in as well and I'll let it fry. For short videos, kindly check out my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok pages. You can also check out my YouTube shorts. I post videos that are a minute long or less on these platforms, and I'm sure you enjoy watching them. So if you don't have patience for YouTube long form content, you can check out my pages on these other social media platforms. Thank you. I've just gone in with my opaka or uba. Opaka or uba, they mean the same thing. After adding that, I'll stir that in until it incorporates into the sauce really well, and I'll let that fry for like 2 more minutes. This sauce is almost ready and it's time to enjoy this yummy pan of goodness. What do you guys think? Will you be trying out this sauce recipe? Let me know down in the comments section. It's time to dish this yummy goodness into my plate. We've come to the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed watching. Please like the video to get it to a wider reach. Share to your family and friends. Leave me your comments in the comments section. And please subscribe to the channel if you're yet to do so. Thank you for stopping by and I would love to see you all in my next one. Bye!